What up? It's Moni and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. This is our fourth video, and for the occasion, your boy decided to get his hair done. He was trying to get a low fade, but instead I got extensions and cotton candy hair. So I was trying to wear the hat to hide it. It's kind of hard to hide it, but screw it. I'm rocking that. I'm rocking.
You know who you kind of look like? The guy from like Austin Powers. Like he's not like playing that character specifically, but the actor. What's his name?
I don't know.
The actor for Austin Powers. Whatever. He has like a brown wig or something.
Mike Myers?
Yeah, I guess. Like, but he's like wearing like a brown hair thing and a hat, and you kind of look like him.
Oh, I don't know, guys. But I'll put it like this. I went to the barber. I'm like, yo, I'm just trying to get a low fade. I'm trying to like look fresh for these videos. He was like, say no more, fam. I got you. He turns the chair around and the mirror, and I'm looking like a Daisy Duke, you know, Katy Perry chick, and I'm like, oh shit. All right, you know what? I'll keep it. I'll wear it. Maybe I could hide it with the hat, and it's not working. So your boy. Your boy's trying, man. He's really trying. He's got. It's hard to look like a boss when you looking like, I don't know. Anyways, Mel, take it away. Tell us what we're doing today.
Besides the whole hair situation thing, so today what we're doing on our fourth video. What is it? Fourth video, right? Yeah, fourth video. Woo! Thanks for the love and support, guys. By the way. So this video is mainly going to be on Angel doing a Halloween look on me, since, you know, it's coming up pretty soon.
Halloween is next month, so your boy, I don't know if you guys know this, but I love horror movies, horror genres, blood, guts, zombies, monsters. So Mel is going to let me try to draw a monster, make her into a monster with her makeup. So
not even like a monster look.
No, it's going to look crazy. It's going to look badass.
Basically, I want to look like this girl.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it though.
Yeah, I don't know. It's not the best, like, reference, I guess. But, yeah, basically, it'll be something similar to this. I found her on Pinterest. And it's a look. And I think it's possible with using regular makeup. So, we're going to see how close he can get to it. And then I will post a picture.
Yo, fair warning. I'm using it as a reference. Reference means that it's going to kind of look like it. But your boy is going to be artistic. He's doing his own thing, all right? It's going to look much more badass than that. Or it's going to look really crappy. Those are the two options. It's going to look really good or look really bad. So let's see how this goes.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to have him pick out all the brushes and all the makeup that he needs. So you guys are going to follow me. All right, so I'm gonna have you pick out what you need. Got it, girl?
Guys, so basically your boy Moni is looking for specific things. I don't know what any of this is. That's why I asked her to help me pick it out. So I need pencils, black pencils.
That's white.
This is white. This is white?
Yeah.
I'm gonna use this. This is coming with us. I need black. Is this, no? Is this good?
That is like a dark purple black.
All right, sure. Is this red?
Yeah.
All right, red. Where's I need yellow and brown stuff for
eyeshadow?
No, not eyeshadow.
Because I have eyeshadow.
Well, actually, I need black eyeshadow, but I need like yellow and stuff for teeth.
I don't know.
All right.
I don't really have yellow.
All right. Do you got brown?
These are brown.
Like dirty brown? Yeah. You know what? I could.
Like this is brown.
Oh man, I don't know, guys. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. All right, we're gonna take some brushes, not really super thick ones, just skinny shit.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have him pick through a bunch of these things, and then we're gonna meet up at the table. So.
All right, we're gonna meet up at the table. Your boy Moni gonna be back. Stay tuned.
This is what Angel decided to pick to use that look that I showed you guys. So I mean, I guess this is all he needs. He says this is basically it. So we're just gonna go with it and see where we get.
All right, Mel. Get the station ready. Your boy Moni's about to transform Mel. Like I said, either it's gonna come out really cool or really ugly. But the point is, it's gonna be really creative.
Oh my god.
All right, Mel. Let's do this shindig.
All right, guys. So he's gonna start.
I'm gonna start right now with what. She's. All right. So.
Do you want to look at the picture?
Oh no.
Are you sure?
Can I just have free creative flow?
Yeah.
Everyone's an artist. Everyone's a critic. You feel me? I'm talking about my hair. Your boy got his earrings done too, so looking real cute today.
You're so weird.
So fly, and we know this. Bowling, what? All right, Mom. All right. Let me just do me. All right. Let me start off here. Perfect. Well, not perfect, but.
This is gonna suck to get taken off.
Oh no, for you, yeah.
Oh, thanks. Are you shaking?
Well, if you thought you were nervous for piercing, this is more nervous for me. I'm drawing. Like if I'm drawing.
But I can take this off.
I'm drawing like if she's a book or a piece of paper.
Oh, that
What?
hurts. You're like stabbing into my face.
Just let me do me.
Oh my god. Are you sure that's all you need?
Yeah. You about to look like one of those little Mexican dolls.
Oh my god.
All right, you could look if you want so far. It's looking pretty decent. I mean,
Oh my god, I'm done.
I never did makeup or drawn on someone's face before, so your boy's trying. Oh my god, what? Why is this so fragile? What?
Because you're not supposed to be pressing that hard.
Oh, well,
It's like, think of it as like a sketchbook.
that's what I'm
That's why
trying.
I'm like, when you were stabbing it in me, I'm like,
All right, let me try it a little bit softer then. Yeah, I guess that works too, right? I don't know if it's gonna look even. That's the problem too.
sorry guys, Maddie is on the loose.
Yeah. Okay. Let me draw some.
Oh, that hurts. Totally felt that.
I think it's coming out. I told you it's not gonna be that. I'm going free creative flow. All right, guys. I need him away. Sorry, guys. Give us a second.
Yeah, 1 second. Alright guys, we're back. We had to get rid of a little situation if you didn't see him on here.
And your boy had to get a haircut. It was getting real hot, so I'm like, yo, Mel, I'm gonna take a second. I gotta go to the barber. I hit that dude up, and he was like,
I don't know if this is looking like...
it's not looking like that at all. I'm doing me. All right? If you wanted a professional, you should have married one.
Oh my god.
You about to look rough.
You literally said you were trying.
I am trying. If I wasn't trying, I would have done something else. Ooh, see, it's a kid show. I know the melody, but I don't know the words. All right, Mel, you're almost done. I'm sorry that it's like really crappy. I tried my best.
Just don't rush.
Man it.
What?
Huh?
What?
I'm not trying to get it in your eye. Alright, Mel. Guys, that's it. I mean, you want to do a comparison to that? Yo, it is hot as... Woo! I don't know why I wore that hat in this. That's it. It looks good. Close your mouth. Close your eyes too. What? Yo, come on. Get closer. Get closer. Go ahead. Do it again. What?
I'm trying to be serious right now, but I'm trying so hard not to laugh.
Alright, we're going to compare the photos. And you guys tell me on a scale of 1 through 10, how close is it?
Wait.
Alright. So, here's the girl. And there's Mel.
Alright guys, so that's basically the end of the video. Let us know below what you think, how you feel about this look, if it was anything close to what that picture looked like. Just give us a comment down below, or you can vote on the little poll. Like I said, it's a little icon that pops up on the top right corner of the video. It looks like a little eye. You just click on that and you can vote.
Yeah. So I want to say thank you. I know it was a little longer, but we hope it was entertaining. This was last minute, and you guys are probably wondering, Wonnie, where did the hair extensions come from again? I don't know. It's random. I grow hair fast. All right. I don't know. Anyways, that's not the point. The point is, your boy tried mad hard, and he did his best, and unfortunately, I think it came out pretty good. On a scale of 1 through 10, I think it's a 5, which is pretty good. And
whatever you guys think, leave a comment below.
All right, so yeah, that's video 4. So Mel, let's do our cheesy goodbye. All right, on the count of 3. Subscribe to Melanie. All right, ready? Come on, quick. Ready? Come on, Mel.
Are you gonna count?
Yeah, I'm gonna count. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Subscribe to Melanie. Are you gonna do? Why do we mess up every time?
I did it! Oh my god.
One more time. One more. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Subscribe
to Melanie Angel. So depressing.
Because
I did a good job.
I look like a sad clown.
You're smiling. Why so serious?
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna kill you. Alright,
Bye,
bye guys.